charger do you got?
Mini.
Gotcha.
Got quite a bit of work out here too.
It's gonna be ugly. That thing.
That is some heavy rig.
Jug right there. Dark. That is dark and ugly. Sorry guys. This thing is, it's going to be juicy. Near as I can tell, I'm gonna be heading right there. No, it's going directly south. Did you see that one?
I was out to Texas a couple of weeks ago. It was on a Saturday, or it was a Friday, and we had to go pick this one up. I swear lightning struck me. I was in my truck, knocking in heart attack.
Yeah. I've had a few brushes with lightning since I seen you last. And I could do without it. But look at this, man. Look at the size of this thing. There's the center. Look at the hail core in that thing. Ooh, it's trying to... Oh, there might be something on the ground. Hold on. Hold on, there might be something on the ground right there. Get past all these trees. Here, I got you. Dude, there's something trying to come down. Just get past these trees, you're gonna see it. Yeah. No, keep going. Get up there, Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. You guys need to look at the radar. My radar's choking down because of the electricity. It's slowing down, I can't tell. We're just above Enid. Just above Enid. I can't even tell you, hold on. Lamont can't, or Oklahoma. Look at the structure on this thing. All right, I think there's definitely something going on in the middle there. It's hard to tell though. Zoom in. Yeah, yep. Nope, let's just skip. You know what? Let's just set up right here. Right past this bridge. Perfect. Good. Wow. Look at that thing. Snake. Ooh. Sorry, guys. You're telling me. Oh, shit. That was close. That was close. Damn. This is reverting back right over us. Look at it. It's just turning north. Look at it. It's coming right back to us. This thing literally just turned right back around. Yeah, dude. We gotta get. We gotta get. Dude, that's right behind us. Backing out of this one. Damn, dude. This is, what time is it right now?
7:24.
7:24 Central Standard Time, 7:10:20. We're outside of Lamont, Kansas. Dude, there's rotation right there, right on the back. Look at that, you can see it's starting to come down. Oh, yes, right there. All right, guys. You guys got to get over to my YouTube channel. You know how this goes. And you should have subscribed because now I'm in it and I'm about to cut this feed. So we're gonna go core punch this. I'm gonna throw on the gear. Oh. Damn, that was close. So, tornado tackler, look it up or you're missing out. Stealing your pack of cigarettes here to level my camera. Into this, it's trying to drop a tornado down back here, right in the back, right there. It's leveling down. Stay tight. Y'all know my YouTube channel because that's where you're gonna find this footage. Look, it's coming back. It's coming right back over us. All right, we're gonna have to boogie out of here. Alright guys, look over to my YouTube channel if you want to watch this chase. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this is overtaking me right here. Getting ugly. Man, it is trying to drop something back here. I don't know if that's gonna have enough juice. Ready? All right. Yeah. All All right, we're gonna go punch right into the center of this thing. What are you thinking? It got real dark for look, even that truck said, I'm parking. You can see he's looking out the window too. Eerie, eerie calm. Super eerie. Oh, behind us. There it is. Okay. Let's just watch this rotation right here. Whoa. Woo. That was close. Oh wow, here's another one. I pull over right here. Up there, excuse me. Sorry, that was too quick for it. Like up this road with the green signs, just where we have a perfect shot of this, because this thing's rolling hard. Just past this tree line here. Lightning has been detected in your area. Yeah, thanks. Whoa! Yeah, I like that. Ugly. You feel that? here. We're on the end. Woohoo! I think it's starting to. Down in the ground here, so I'm not the highest thing. Oh, that's close. Look at this thing going right over. Coming down right in there. You wouldn't be able to tell, it's so rain wrapped. Jesus. Here are the wipers. Yeah, we're in it, guys. We're in the hail core now. Oh, damn, I can't even do this. Dude, look at that. Hold on, leave yours open. You're not getting any rain in. Yeah. This truck is bouncing from the wind. Damn. You're good. Here, hit your wipers. Look at the water. I don't know if anybody knows if it is. You can tell me because I can't see my radar. Whoa! Dude, we might be in the backside of a hook. We might be in a bad spot. It's complete whiteout. was that? Yeah, probably towards the 80-mile-an-hour winds blowing in the CPC valve. Dude, it is just howling. Whoa! Dude! I mean, we're stuck now. We're not moving. We are not moving. We're in a bit of a pickle. We got a little pickled on this one. Dude, you couldn't see a tornado. Jesus. Whoa!
Man.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Dude.
I'm living my whole life like this.
We're under circulation. Here it comes. Dude, the truck is lifting. The truck is lifting, dude. Yeah.
Nothing I can do about it.
No, we can't do anything. We can't go anywhere.
It wasn't supposed to be tornadic, was it?
No, not yet. Is it gone tornado warned? Oh, shit, dude. Wow! Whoa, dude! This is some winds, man. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, dude. It's like trying to...
Dude. Dude. Whoa!
Man, I've been through quite a few storms. This one actually makes me nervous. Goodness gracious, dude.
Yeah. Damn.
Man.
Dude, this is like, oh wow. Dude, I'm waiting to see if that semi tips over. The semi behind us just stayed still. Yeah, he's pointing. Well, we both. Yeah. Yeah. Oh wow. Well, I was gonna go in it, but this has got to be 80-85 mile-an-hour winds.
That's what it is. All that water moisture going up the tailpipe.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I know. I know we're in danger. No, I can hear you guys. I'm watching the counter go. I can't understand why you guys aren't seeing it.
This is an insane storm.
Yeah. What? Oh shit.